Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. In the previous class, we discussed about how to measure area of the shapes formed by curved lines. Am I correct, children? Yes. In the previous class, we discussed about how to find area of the shapes formed by curved lines. So, what are the steps, children? So, if the shape is formed by curved lines means first you have to measure the total number of full squares. Okay, first you have to measure total number of full squares inside the shape, and then next you have to find number of half or more than half squares. Okay, half that you have to find number of half or more than half. Okay, here totally 5 full squares and 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 more than half squares, and do not count less than half squares. Okay, do not count less than half means, if you observe this, children, it is less than half. Okay, so no need to count this, and here this is also less than half, so no need to count, and this is also less than half, so no need to count, children, and this is also less than half, so no need to count. Okay, now here total full squares 5 and half squares 6, so totally what is the area of this shape? 11 square units. Okay, what is the area of this shape? 11 unit squares. Okay, children, now, and I given 8.1 for his homework now. I hope you all completed, children. Next, turn to next page, 8.15, children, page number 15. Your teacher tells you share the given space with your partner to draw a picture. How much space would you wish to give your partner? Why? Okay. Draw a picture in your area. Okay, this is your area, children. You have to draw picture. Okay, you have to draw picture. So before going to draw picture, so at the end of the companion, okay, end of the companion in page number 103, here given unit squares, children. Okay, at the end of your companion page number 103 given unit squares. Okay, you have to paste this unit squares in this area. Okay, you have to paste the unit squares in this area, and you have to draw a picture. Okay, this is your area. You have to paste unit squares and draw any picture in here. Okay, draw any picture here. Okay, draw any picture. Now turn to next page. Gopi is mason. He is fixing tiles on the bathroom wall. Help him to create designs using the square stickers given at the end of your companion. Create 2 different designs on the wall. Okay, children, what we have to do in this? Here Gopi is mason. He is fixing tiles on the bathroom wall. Bathroom wall మీద టైల్స్ ఫిక్స్ చేస్తున్నాడు. హెల్ప్ హిమ్ టు క్రియేట్ డిజైన్స్ యూజింగ్ ద స్క్వేర్ స్టిక్కర్స్ గివెన్ ఎట్ ది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కంపెనియన్. ఓకే, ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కంపెనియన్ హియర్ గివెన్ సమ్ స్టిక్కర్, చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే, you have to use that. You have to take any 2 different designs and create. Okay, this is your companion. At the end of your companion page number 105, here given some stickers. Okay, you have to remove the stickers and you have to take any 2. Okay, here total given 4 now. In that you have to take any 2 and create 2 different designs. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాటిలో స్టిక్కర్స్ తీసుకుని you have to create any 2 designs on the wall. Okay, you have to create any 2 designs on the wall, and next find the area of the each shape. Okay, children, find the area of each design by counting number of squares. Okay, by counting number of squares. Okay, children, I think are you clear? What you have to do this, you have to cut these stickers. Okay, you have to cut any 2 stickers and paste it on the wall. This is the wall now. You have to paste in this wall. Okay, this is bathroom wall. You have to cut these stickers and paste here. Okay, paste it on the total wall. Okay, you have to paste it or total wall. Next, area of design 1. Okay, write area of design 1. Okay, here you have to observe each area of each side is 1 unit. No, means if you paste 12 squares means the area of the shape 1 is 12 unit squares, and if you paste 9 stickers means the area of shape 2 is 9 unit squares. Okay children, like that you have to paste these stickers on the total wall and write area of 2 designs. Okay, this is about today's class. Okay children, so project time we will discuss in next class. So now in this class we discuss, I given these two homework now 8.15. so here you have to paste the square grids and draw any picture. Okay, you have to draw picture only. So in the next one you have to take stickers from companion and paste here and write the total area of the design 1 and design 2. So and after that you have to complete question time children. So here you have to find perimeter. Okay, we know that perimeter means total boundary. You have to find total boundary of the shape. Next, second one, area of the shape is nearly dash squares. Here given curved shape children. So the shape is formed by curved lines. No, you have to measure the area of this shape. Okay, you have to measure total area of this figure and write. Okay children, this is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.